Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jimmy, the Tennessee Prepper, and in today's video, I'm going to be opening the go bag that I bought off of My Patriot Supply. It's made by Ready Hour. I used the multiple months option to get it paid off. I'm thinking it was around 300. I'll post the link down below in the comments, and I will add the link to the website. Um, I'm planning on using this just as a starting point. I know there's probably things in here that I don't really, probably will never use. There's things that I'll be adding to it. And as I get those things, I'll make new videos going over everything as I add it to this. I'm wanting this to work in conjunction with my vehicle kits. So there's going to be a lot of redundancy. There'll be things in here that are in the vehicle kits. I believe in the rule 2 is 1, 1 is none. I'd rather have multiple ways of doing something. So if one way tears up, I'm not screwed. So stay tuned and we'll open this bad boy up and see what we've got. See if we think it's worth the money. But we'll give it a look. See what we've got.
Hey, I'm here to tell you about Cherokee Graphics, where we bring your t-shirt dreams to life. With our original designs and custom options using heat transfer vinyl and screen printing, you can rock a one-of-a-kind look. Express yourself with style and quality that lasts. Cherokee Graphics, where your creativity meets our expertise. Check us out now. Use code PREPPER and receive a 10% discount on your order.
Okay, so this is the go bag from Ready Hour that I purchased through My Patriot Supply. First thing I'm going to open this is a ballistic shield that goes into the back of the bag. Don't remember what caliber bullets it's supposed to be able to absorb, but I'll add that to the video during the editing. I think it's supposed to handle up to like a 9mm round. I know it doesn't protect from rifle rounds, but I'll look up the specs for it and add it here. First thing I want to say is the bag is pretty well built, nice size. It's got plenty of molly straps. It's got 2 straps on the back, chest strap to go across to keep them together. There's the quick release buckles. Adjustable buckles down further on. There's a couple of D-rings at the top. D-rings here on the straps. There's a pouch back here on the back. I don't believe it has anything in it. No. I don't think that ballistic panel would fit in there. It's a pretty tight fit. So there's a strap to keep everything together. So I guess we'll just start from the outside and work our way in. So again, there's molly straps here on this front pouch that you can add other things to it. Let's see what they put in here. There's 8 packets of emergency drinking water. Up to a 5-year shelf life. It's 4.227 fluid ounces or 125 milliliters. So you can use this for drinking, you can use it for cooking. You just tear the packet open and you got fresh, pure water. You don't have to worry about trying to find a water source. So there's 8 packets of this in that front pouch. There's also some smaller pouches on the inside that you can put pins, little tools. Make sure that's all that's in here. Yeah, that's all that's in this pouch is the 8 packets of water. Okay. Now there's a smaller pouch above that one. This is, okay, it's an emergency blanket. Doesn't say how many's in it, so I'm just assuming 1. And some Instafire waterproof matches. Those are in the small pouch. Okay, and then behind these two is a bigger pouch. And inside that pouch is a bigger pouch, or is a pouch with 2 small pouches attached to it. Inside that is a grubbing tool. See, it has the spoon, spork on the end, and then it has a little, it's like bottle opener and some openings for hex heads. That's pretty cool. Also had Instafire fire starter. So it's basically tinder. You pour a little pile of this stuff and light it to start your fire with. So there's 2 packets of that. And then there's the commando saw. Like I said, when I got the one in the tactical box, be careful when you use these things. For one, they get hot, you'll burn yourself. 2, when they get hot, they're also easy to snap. So don't try to cut down a freaking tree with this. You can cut small limbs, take your time. and hopefully it will last. So that was what was in this big pocket. Now for the main pouch, which there's straps on the side to keep you from being able to lay this open, which I don't really like. Alright, so in the main pouch we have an emergency tent, we have an emergency sleeping bag, made of that same reflective mylar type stuff. A water filtering tumbler container, whatever you want to call it. G2C Aqua Maria. A 2-pack of emergency ponchos to keep you dry. USB rechargeable headlamp. Metal mug. Not sure how much it holds. I'll have to look that up and put that on the video. Two packets of their emergency rations. I've also ordered more of these that I've got in my vehicles. I split it between the two vehicles. Supposedly this stuff tastes like sugar cookies. It doesn't taste like you're chewing cardboard like some of those emergency rations do. A folding stove. And then another survival kit like the one that I ordered before. Hopefully this one has all of the stuff in it. So if you want to find out more detail about what comes in this, check out my other video that I did on these survival kits. Let's see, there's another zippered pouch in the back. A small one, nothing in there. This back. It also has a mesh pocket on this side. So let me see if I can remember how to put all this stuff back. Water bottle went somewhere here. Alright, so that is Ready Hour's go bag. Don't really know if I would have paid $300 for all of that, but I think it is a good start. It pretty much covers your basics: water, fire, shelter, food. So I think it's a good start. Like I said, I'm going to add more things to it as I go, but at least it's a place to start. I'm not having to start from scratch. I don't think there's a lot of wasted stuff in this. I don't know if all of this was worth $300, but like, this is something that you really want to have. You don't want to ever have to use it, but you would rather have it and not need it than need it and not have it. So let me know what you think in the comments. Do you think it's a good starting point? Do you think it's worth the money? What would you add to it? Would you take anything out? Let me know your thoughts. Thank you for supporting the channel. Please like and subscribe. Share. Help us grow. Until next time, Proverbs 28:19. Let's get started.